everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry, I'm also struggling in English. We should work together in English. We should learn together in English. First of all, my name is Prajita Gautam. I am from Nepal. I am from Lars of Gautam Buddha. And Nepal is a so much beautiful country. And I am beginner in English. I want to improve my English with clarity and fluency. And I want to speaking. I want to skill. I want to speak in front of numbers of people. Um, I want to go stage and to speak my journey, whatever. That is why I am here on the roof and I am taking sun bath and mm, a sun bath. Then here is a cold weather seasons. That is why I wear warm clothes. You can see your scenario is so much pretty and lots of trees are here. And yeah, life is a journey. I don't know. I am beginner in English. I am uncomfortable to record video. So that is why I am on the roof and right now I am recording this video, then I upload. And please comment it, subscribe my channel and judge me. If you judge me, I will improve next video. And yeah, life is a journey. That is why I want to improve my English. So skill is a very important today. Globally changing world, English is everywhere. That is why I am here and right now I am recording video. So yeah, Sam is student. Now I want to learn skill. So if we know about language, it is a very comfortable to share our problems, share our speaking, to make friend everywhere. Skill is important. So you can also record your video and upload it. So bye bye, have a good day, see you next video, love you, subscribe my channel. And without your support, i'm I think I think I'm not improve my English clarity. So please comment it. Bye bye, have a good day, see you soon, see you next video, love you, bye bye.